Now we would like to thank Bhumika ma'am, Akisha ma'am, Shubhlakshmi ma'am, Ayman ma'am, Smriti ma'am, Pragati ma'am, Sumaya ma'am, Nikita ma'am, Urvashi ma'am, especially Shivani ma'am, Likhi ma'am, and Arwa ma'am, and Shazin ma'am to give to
They were our mentors for the SARC event. So
please come on the stage.
Yeah. Okay. So now we would like our chief guest to come on the stage and say a few words about this event.
I missed the little bit of the starting, but I did watch it live. Well, almost like 40 seconds delayed apparently. So almost live from my office I was watching it. So I didn't get the content of the first one. Which countries did I miss? I think one of these two. Okay. So I missed a few countries, but I got the last, I think these last 4 countries I saw all of them. So I think overall I really enjoyed watching the presentations. Both the position papers and the information about the countries I think was well done. It was informative and it was to the point. The students presented confidently, confidently and were well prepared for it. So I believe the students and the teachers have worked well together to put up this event. So congratulations, grade 8 for the wonderful event. Yeah, before that I have 1 or 2 more points. I will do that. I do want to make 1 more point about the SAARC nations. I mean that you've all taken up. I think it is that they're interesting. But one of the common issues, and the theme for this session was women empowerment. But one of the other major issues with SAARC nations, can anyone tell me what is a common issue across almost all the SAARC countries? Okay, poverty is perhaps one of them. Yes,
Terrorism.
Terrorism. Okay.
Maybe economic depression.
Okay.
Health crisis.
Health crisis, economic depression. Anything else? Yes.
Unemployment.
Unemployment. Okay, that's economic depression. You want to say something? Okay. Yes.
Gender discrimination.
Gender discrimination, of course, we've addressed. I mean, that's what we talked about, women empowerment here. Anyone else? Delegates, grade 8? I think one of the common issues with almost all the SAARC countries face is the lack of good governance systems. Most of them have issues with their politics, including India to some extent. I mean, maybe to a much lesser extent because of a stronger constitution and a much better electoral system. But all of the other countries have issues, from Myanmar to Sri Lanka to Pakistan to Bangladesh. All of them have been having torrid times, especially in the last few years. In Nepal as well, for that matter. In fact, Nepal, who's the Nepal delegate here? Okay, Mudit, right? And some other people. He mentioned that Nepal is one of the poorest countries in the world, and it is true. However, Nepal, in terms of natural resources, has one of the best natural resources, both for tourism as well as for hydroelectric power generation. They could, if they set up hydroelectric power stations, generate double of their GDP in the next 5 years. So they have that much potential of generating employment as well as economic, but much of it has been stalled because of their politics. They've not yet finalized the constitution. Is that right? They've not yet finalized the constitution, which they've been working for a number of years. So that's probably one of the next themes you can look at a future stage. That'll be politics. The other point, I mean, that's just a small point, but whenever you're in such a conference, I think you have to be careful on the statements that you make. There was a statement on, there was a shairi which we heard right now. So you have to be a little careful about what sort of comments you're making. That would be a racist comment in all, while we want to be, I mean, careful and we want to have fun, but not at the expense of people, and definitely not when it is a racist sort of a comment. We want to be a little careful on that. Other than that, I think the event went off really well. I enjoyed it. I can now do the second.
So, it will take a lot of time, so we were thinking that we could pass on the certificates later.
That's a good idea.
Please kindly rise for the SARC anthem, and parents, don't go without giving your feedback and write it on the ballot.
Over here, we have the banner, so you can just give us the feedback. And grades and people, you can do it later after the ballot.